when you come to work areas where people are on the ground, they're depending on you to follow the directions so that it can be safe for you and for the workers.
When you see the signs, obey the signs. They're out there for yourself and for us.
If any person from the public has questions, you can approach any one of our crew members and we'll be able to give you information. We're always open for questions and comments.
Around our construction sites, the public can stay safe by heeding our warnings, our signs. We put up a lot of signage and cones. It's bright orange, and that's for their safety and for ours.
Construction speed is 20 or below whenever you're going through a work zone.
The safety issues that I have with the public when doing crack seal are driving through the work zone. And not only driving through the work zone, but driving at a fairly high rate of speed. It's really dangerous for the people that I have working under me because they have hearing protection in. They can't see because they're concentrating on what they're doing, and next thing you know, there's a vehicle in the work zone.
The things that would help street cleaning crews for the public to know would be when you know the street sweepers are coming to your area, if you could, please move your car or just park it on another street that day or park it in the driveway if you have one.
There's so many things you have to watch out for while you're doing your job cleaning the streets. Traffic, just like everybody else driving down the street, I'm trying to drive down the street with my truck.
If you see our signs, it's kind of helpful if you just go around them actually and avoiding the work zone altogether if all possible. And then just slow down, please. And that goes the same for bikes.
We had an instance where some people walk right between the truck and the machine.
We just want to be safe. Everybody wants to go home at night. We don't want to have an accident. We don't want to hurt anybody, and we don't want to be hurt either. And if it's just going down to the next block for the inconvenience, we really appreciate it because most of the time we're in and out within a couple of hours, and so we'll open things back up again. It's not a closure for weeks or months. It's just temporarily, usually for a couple of hours.
The Portlanders should know that, we come out here to do the best job that we can do. And it's hot, and days it's cold, we work in the rain.
We come in and we're out of here before you really notice we've interfered with your life.
Thank you for your patience and understanding while we work on your street. We know it's a bit inconvenient now, but we believe the results will be worth it.